Hard morning, you guys. Hard morning.
9-0.
Seatbelt. Ayan, papunta pala kami ng mall ni Riker, guys. Kasi meet namin yung mag-playdate siya sa friend niya. 9:43 na. I haven't had a coffee. And it was a tough morning. I need a coffee, baby. Ayan, bahay na pala kami ni Riker, guys. Alas 12 na. And lunch namin is yung natira namin kagabi na adobo. Ayan, ito na pala yung dinner namin, guys. And yung sa kids, chicken. Halika. Ito yung kay Riker. Pero lagyan ko rin ng carrots kahit di niya kinakain. Kahit di niya kinakain, lagyan mo pa din. Pasaway. Good morning. Car na kami, guys. Aray, ang sakit ng mga ko. Muscles ko. Muscles. Kalang mag-exercise. Welcome. Ayan, na-drop na namin si ate, guys. Ngayon lang ako nagkape. Kape tayo, 9:30 na. Bago natin dalhin si Riker sa kanyang swimming lesson. Ang sakit ng likod ko. I don't know why. Dito, ang sakit. Ngalay na ano. Oh my God. But yeah, later we're gonna do a quick packing because we're gonna go weekend getaway nga. Nasabi ko ba, weekend getaway kami sa Wayala. We're gonna go on a road trip tomorrow. So I canceled Hallie's hydrotherapy. Oh, you gotta eat it, baby. Don't waste food, please. We can't waste food. Did you eat it all? Or can you, let me see, and throw all the mandarins in the bin, please? Help mommy a little bit. Because we gotta go get your change na yan. Yeah, so we're gonna go on road trip. We'll go tomorrow after Hallie's school. And then, drive back Sunday. So, magstay lang naman kami sa Discovery Parks. Parang Big Four. Yung tinistayan sa Renmark, parang ganun. Ayan, dito na kami sa swimming lesson niya. Dalawa lang sila attendance ngayon. You guys, ito na pala kami sa mall. Riker, we're getting our car washed, yeah? Our car is getting washed. So we'll have lunch here. And then we'll do some shopping.
Happy birthday.
Okay, we're doing pretend play, guys, while we're waiting for our food.
Happy birthday, Mom.
Thank you.
Birthday, Mommy.
Is my cake here?
Happy birthday. Beep, beep. Away. Away. You can have candles now.
I could do a wish first. Thank you.
Now I got a card to take for you, Mommy.
Okay.
Now there goes cake.
Thank you. What flavor is this?
Now I got your milkshake.
Thank you. It's my turn now?
Okay.
Okay, you
Can I
pretend you
have-
walk in. I thought you're gonna pretend to walk in my restaurant. Okay. He's pretending daw.
Hello, Mommy.
Hi, welcome to the restaurant. Here's the menu.
Thanks.
What would you like to order?
I like sauce and
Sauce
this.
and
And this.
what is it? Can you tell me,
I like
please?
this
Sandwich?
and yes, sauce and sandwich and sandwich.
Would you like any drink?
Yes, I like rainbow drink.
Rainbow what?
Rainbow milkshake.
Rainbow milkshake. Oh my god. Okay, that would be $35. Ayan. Here's our food, guys. Club sandwich ako. Nuggets sa kanya. Let's eat, love. Ayan. Dito na pala kami sa Target, guys. Kanina galing kami sa Kmart and we bought some clothes for Holly and some socks for Riker. And bumili din ako ng ganitong container. Kailangan ko pa ng isang malaki. So, i-haul natin yan mamaya. And dito sa Target, bumili. Nakawabili si Riker ng ganito. So, si Harley din. And then, I got him some t-shirt. Gusto ko yung t-shirt ng Target kasi para siyang Uniqlo. Maganda yung quality niya. And, binila ko sila ng Ugg boots. Pwede rin panlabas or pambahay. It's for Rika. And he's just looking for browsing. Window shopping. Hey, baby. What are you looking for now? You got 2 more minutes, okay? Because I need to find a bigger container. Very good siya. Wala naman siyang pinapabili. Yun lang, nakita ko to, sale eh. And palagi nilang inano to. Para siyang, hindi siya makalat na Play-Doh / na slime. Ayan, bahay na kami, guys. I-haul natin itong pinabili ko sa Kmart. Ito si Madam. Nabili ako na ganito kasi ilalagay ko dito yung mga iba niyang art books or anything na nandun sa laundry na nakalabas sa shelf lang. Bumili ako na mas malaki para doon naman sa mga summer clothes niya. Yes, she's checking it out. Mommy went to Kmart without you. Sorry, Holly, because dami kang pipiliin. Mga, mura lang itong mga to, guys. So, marami akong binili sa kanyang leggings na wide leg. This one's cute. Size 5 pa rin siya dito. Kasi, maliit lang naman si Harley. Let me see, ate. Come here nga. Let me have a look. Yeah, so pretty. So, ito, may partner to siya. Ano ba yun? There. Ayan, cute. Hindi, pwede niya lang lagyan ng vest or puffer jacket. Okay. That. And then I got a white t-shirt kasi nga magka-photoshoot kami, di ba? Kasali sila sa aking maternity shoot / family. And yeah, binilang ko siya ng white t-shirt kasi medyo mamantsa na yung kanya dyan. Mura lang yung $2 lang naman to. And then more leggings na wide leg. So navy. This one's $8 as well. Ayan, na black one. Hindi pa rin dalhin si Harley ngayon sa shopping center kasi ang dami niya mag-shopping ngayon. Eh, nagagalit siya. Trigger na yung kapag, hindi siya i-shopping, hindi mo bilhin lahat. So, I got some socks for Riker, black and white. Kasi nag-declutter ako kagabi. Inuunti-unti ko na yung mga, nila, drawers anywhere in the house. Rearrange. Love you, ate. Para alam mo yun, malinis kapag dating ni baby. Organized na naman ulit ang bahay. Kahit saglit lang. One, so white and black socks. Bilis lakihan ng mga bagay-bagay. Okay. So, So at least marami silang bagong socks. What? What is it?
The red earth of the road trip. The red earth.
Oh, red.
Camera.
What are you? Oh, you want the camera? The small
little-
one? Yeah,
that's
I
a
haven't
bit-
charged it.
That's a
I have to charge it, guys. I know. Gusto mag-vlog din ni ate. Take care, Harley. Pink. I mean white.
My camera.
Ayan, ang soul para hindi sila magkapalit-palit, ano.
My camera. My camera.
You and Harley's camera, yeah. You can borrow. Harley can borrow. What time is it now, babe?
4:15 o'clock.
Okay, meron pala kaming school tour mamaya. Mag-tutor kami sa isang school dito.
There's the country.
Kasi we don't know if Harley's gonna get change school. We don't know yet. And then, ito. Tights kay ate. Binila ko na siya nung isang araw sa Target, pero pang school naman yun. And dalawa lang na pangalis. So, ito mga pangalis. Ano na siya, size 6 to 9. Tights is really good for when she wears a dress, and it's thick for good for winter. Dumating na rin pala yung bassinet ni baby. In-order ko yun sa Big W. Papak pa pala ako mamaya. Ayan, tapos na kami sa school tour. That was a good school as well. So, dalawa na yung school na tour namin for next year. Just in case Harley needs to transfer. And we got 2 more schools na titignan yan. So, we're up to date na. Ayan, Ben's torturing me. He took me here sa Chico Palms. Gusto ko kinakain dito yung burrata nila. Nakakaloka. But anyway, mag-pizza and pasta na lang kami. Because I can't eat the burrata. Ayan, kain tayo guys. Nag-order kami ng pizza and pasta and then potatoes. Tsaka bread. Good morning. Ayan, nag-ibihis na si madam. Ay, nagpupo pala yung isa. Okay, coming. Ayan, let's drop ate off. We're early today. Hindi pala ako nakapag-pack kagabi, pag-uwi namin. So, kami na lang nilagay. Mamaya magpapak kapag ka-drop namin kay ate. Ayan, na-drop na namin si ate guys. Ito nabili ko tong outfit nito sa Shein. Ano siya? Overall. Ang cute mo. It's my tummy now, 29 weeks. Ayan, so na-put away ko na yung lagay ko na lang sa luggage yung mga damit ng kids. So, Sunday, uwi naman kami ng Sunday. So, Saturday, Sunday lang naman yung kailangan nila. Magkape na muna ako. Nag-lemon honey na ako kanina. And, yan, sinipin ko na ako, guys. Sip on. So, si Ate Vic pala pabiyahin na siya ng Manila today because she's gonna do her biometrics. So, guys, pag-pray nyo para ma-approve siya. Excuse my dryer, pero ito pala yung brand na binili ko sa Big W. Bo Peep na bassinet. So, nilabas ko na yung ating luggage. Lunch na tayo, guys.
Hello, Mr. Bum Bum.
Pizza yung kay Rocky yung natira namin kagabi sa restaurant. 11:41 na. Kausap niya si daddy niya.
Daddy,
Kain tayo.
I gotta tell you a secret again.
What is it, mate?
After you work, you gotta play some airplane for me. Yeah, for Hawk.
And then?
What? Hello, Mr. Waterfall.
Pick up.
Hey!
Because we gotta pick up a Harley.
Where?
Everything ready to go
Yeah, I'm just folding clothes now.
The one is so very hard.
Okay, you guys, we're ready na. Kakarating lang ni Ben. 2:49 na nga. So baka alas 3 na kayo makaalis. So yung luggage nandiyan na sa door. Nagdala lang ako ng mga pagkain para may almusal kami. And snacks ng kiddos. I got their bags. Water bottles. And I got my coconut water. Nakapagtupi ako ng 2 basket. And then meron na lang akong isang whole basket na itutupi pag uwi. So, yeah. Parang uulan. Pero sabi, wala, 5% lang naman. So, 4 hours drive to. So, we'll get there 3, 4, 5, 6, mga 7 na. So, we'll probably have dinner on the way. Hindi ko naman ako gutom. Si Harley, pinakain ko ng apple. And then, may baon din ako mga prutas. For them, arrived there at 7:24. 4 hours and 11 minutes.
Oh, we didn't bring the mints, did we?
Oh, yeah. Ang ganda ng chords kay ate, oh. Nilagyan ko na lang siya ng gas.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Thank you. Tali's so pretty. Plain. You're all good there, right? Can you say hi to the vlog? Si Riker tulog na pala, guys. Kanina pa yan. How long has he been asleep na?
20 minutes.
20 minutes. Si Harley mukhang patulog na. Hi, Papa. Dala-dala niya yung si Cholo ni Riker. And walang traffic. No traffic. Saying 7:30 will arrive. Look at that.
It's a good to do staycations.
I lose my breath whenever I see you.
Ayan, mag-alas 6 na, guys. We're here at Port Pirie now. We're gonna go or stop by sa restaurant muna. Mag-dinner muna kami bago kami pumunta dire-diretso sa aming drive. How far you reckon along, no? We'll check later. 1.5 o 2 hours pa?
About an hour 45.
Hour 45 by drive namin. Riker's awake and Holly's just been coloring there. Buti nga, hindi naka-RC ka nakatuko eh. Ayan, dito na kami sa town nila. We're 1 minute sa restaurant. Ayoko ng yan yung na yan.
There's his subway.
Hindi ko na sasabihin yung pangalan.
Yeah, that's a good location.
Ay, sinabi na ni
There's
Riker.
subway, man.
Ay, there's a subway there.
Then you subway in Domino's.
Oh, there's a Domino's too?
Oh, I didn't see
Oh, there is. Oh no, we drive past it. Oh, that's the one. It's in the church. That's the one. That's the restaurant, guys, in the church.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it is.
That's the one.
Okay, so just turn.
Ito yung restaurant, guys. Old church siya. Ang cute. Pati tinan mo yung chair. So, I'll have some fish and chips. Kasi seafood to. Seafood. Ang happy na naman ni madam mo. Para na siyang ibon. Ayan. In-orderan ko lang sila ng chicken to share. And then kami ni Ben, fish and chips. Ang cute naman, old church. May taas pa sila, guys. Ayun. Ang cute.
And the color. It's color number 4.
Ang cute, no? Ayan, naghati lang yung kids. Ang lalaki pala ng chicken, eh, oh. Chicken and chips sila. And kami fish and chips. So, 1 crumb, 1 buttered. Same kami ni Ben. Kain tayo.
Yellow.
You stole my heart, what is it that you do?
It's the girl. Violet.
Life was great,
Mommy,
you added colors.
black
Like
and
one
red.
needs to something
Mix.
about the other.
Just mixed it.
You set my world on
Wet.
You're my heart's desire.
Black.
I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow
Dog.
old. This stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day.
Nabattered na.
Set my world on fire.
Rainbow, rainbow,
Set my world on
It's fresh naman.
fire. I don't know what I'd do without you.
Yung mga nakaupo doon na parang sila nagsisimba.
Make me smile. What is it that you do?
Si Riker kakastart lang kumain. Batang to talaga. Si ate o, kain naman. Mas masarap yung buttered kesa doon sa crown nila. Ano na kami guys? Meron pa kami 1 hour 45 drive. We gotta go soon because it's already 6:32. Huh? 6:32. Ay, ang cute to. May railway, may train sila. Paparating.
It's like this big black dark road, no lights and the red lights coming
I
on there.
know. Tira niyo yung mga dumi na ng aming
Can you see it, Riker and Harley?
windshield.
Look straight ahead.
There's
There
a
it
train.
comes. Just a baby one.
Bloody hell.
God, it's maybe
It's not a
nine.
baby one.
Apologies. That's got some serious cargo.
Containers. Yung mga
Shipping
ship,
containers.
pala yung mga delivery. Yung mga Shein mo.
Oh my gosh, it's a big one, Riker. Look.
Wow. It's a long train. And wala sila yung boom gate. 1 hour to go, you guys. And yung aming sound trip is number blocks the whole time. Ayan, 6 minutes away na lang kami, guys. It's so quiet.
Oh, that's the.
That's the maritime,
Yeah, that was used in World War One or Two. I can't remember.
Yung
We
ship
saw
na
that
yan.
on the blog.
Yeah. We're here. 8:35 na. Discovery Parks. Yeah. For sure. Harap siya ng beach. Here's our cabin, guys. Sa harap namin, I think it's beach. And malaki yung balcony. It's so big, babe. Huh? It's so big, you guys. Ang laki ng labas. Oh. Tapos ang lapit lang namin sa playground ng kids. But yeah, here's the house. Cabin. Malaki siya. Heater. Ate, you're happy? That's nice. The heater is on.
Oh, this is nice.
Yeah, so this one is our dining and kitchenette. It's bigger than Renmark, no?
Yeah, nice.
2 bedroom lang, di ba?
Yeah, look how nice the bedrooms are.
Yeah. So that's the number 1 bed. And number 2 bed. I think I think this one's bigger.
Mommy.
So, I didn't choose the one with the bunk bed eh. Kasi hindi naman nagagamit ng kiddos. And then this is the shower. Ang laki. Ang cute. Ayan. Tapos separate yung toilet. Si Riker nasa toilet. Nag-toilet na siya, guys. Yeah, so that's the beach. Ang ganda ng lighthouse na yan. We'll go there.
Daddy,
Yeah.
can I ask TV?
Point Lowly something. Ang luwag. It's nice. Good night. Si daddy niya katabi si Harley. Siyempre, tigisa kaming bata. So, ayan yung ilaw namin ni Riker. Gusto niya ng nightlight daw eh. Okay, careful. You say good night, guys.
Good night, everybody.
You say,